Hi there, welcome back to my Allen Bradley PLC test bench. This is the second of two videos on calibrating the 1756 IF16 analog input module. Now this particular module is the one that I was telling you about in the other video. This module, there's the serial number, ends in E195. We go to the calibration screen. And we'll just zoom in a little bit here. It says that calibrate channel 0 has a calibration error, unlike the other one which had a fault on it. So, and everything else is okay. Last calibration date 11/20/1999. So this was calibrated at the factory. And since then, there's been an error happen in this module. Who knows what it is? I don't. But let's step back through our procedure that we did in the other module. And go to there, lock that down. Start calibration. Should not be calibrated when it's running. Thank you. Bring this up over here so you can see. We're going to check all of the 16 channels in the module configuration screen here. This way everything is done together, everything is going to be the same consistency. And we all know that as electricians we like consistency. So we go back up to there, and we're going to calibrate everything together. Next, attach our low reference. So we want to go to 0 on our screen, or as close to 0 as we can get using our old BK 1650 power supply. And we just give it a half a sec to settle down here. Plus 0.04 millivolts. Now, I think for everybody's purposes, 0.04 millivolts or 3 millivolts is pretty close to 0. So I'm happy with that. I hope everyone else is. Hit next on the screen. It goes through. And let's have a look here. It likes everything it sees on channels 1 through 8 and then 6 through 15. It's happy. Okay, so now we go next. And we want to have our high reference, which is 10.25 volts DC. There's 9.7, 10.0, and same as last time, because this is not a digital power supply. My Scotch Heritage comes in here. I haven't spent that sort of money yet. Oop. A little bit. Oh, 10.25. Oh, I'm getting better at this. We just wait a half a minute here to make sure everything is settled in. 10.24. 2.5. I think we're good. We're happy with that. It's just going to grab it at 10.25. Next. And everything is okay. Scroll down just to make sure all channels are the same. Hit next. And all our status is okay. Now that's what you want to see, and that's why you should, every time you get a new module or refurbished module from me or anyone else, always check your calibration screen, and we just hit finish. And we have a look here. Always check this calibration tab in your module properties to make sure that everything is good. Because you could have a bad channel down here in the bottom if you haven't scrolled down, and it'll be out of calibration. Depending on what your system is doing, you could run into all kinds of problems. So for the gentleman I bought this from, everything is good. I'm a happy camper. I hope you are too. And for everyone else watching this video this evening, or whenever you're watching it, I hope that's helped demystify calibrations. And come back anytime. Like, subscribe, ring the bell, all those other wonderful fun YouTube things. And have a fun and wonderful week and weekend if you're there. Thank you.